Welcome to today's presentation on Digm Group, often referred to as the toll booth of the skies. Over the next few slides, we will analyze why this company is considered an elite player in the aerospace industry and how its unique business model has allowed it to command a dominant market position. To begin with an overview, Digm boasts an impressive quality score of 89 out of 100, with FY 2025 revenue reaching $8.8 billion and a staggering EBITDA margin of approximately 50%. The core thesis here is clear. Digm dominates high-value, niche, sole-source aerospace components that benefit from consistent and massive aftermarket demand. What truly protects this business is its proprietary moat. The FAA's regulatory environment creates a high barrier to entry, as integrating new parts into an aircraft's type certificate is a long and expensive process for competitors. This results in sole-source dominance, with 80% of Digm's revenue derived from proprietary products where they are the only authorized provider. The real power behind Digm's profitability is its aftermarket engine, which accounts for about 55% of its revenue. Unlike traditional manufacturers who focus on the initial sale, Digm capitalizes on the 30-year life cycle of an aircraft. The real profits are generated through replacement parts over decades of flight, ensuring a long-term, recurring revenue stream. A key differentiator for the company is its value-based pricing strategy. Instead of looking at manufacturing costs, they price parts based on the critical value of the problem being solved. This approach allows Digm to maintain an EBITDA margin of around 50%, which is more than double the industry average of 15% to 22%, as illustrated in the comparison chart. Digm operates more like a private equity firm than a traditional industrial conglomerate. Their three-step strategy involves acquiring niche aerospace firms with high aftermarket potential, optimizing them through aggressive cost-cutting and a focus on pricing, and then deleveraging to reinvest in the next acquisition. This cycle has been a primary driver of their long-term growth. Finally, we must consider the risks and the outlook for investors. While the business model is elite, we must monitor regulatory scrutiny from the DoD, the company's high debt load, and OEM production rates. Going forward, tracking global flight hours and M&A activity will be crucial. Overall, with a rating of 85 out of 100, Digm remains a premier example of a high-moat aerospace business.